Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect VS Code to a GitHub repository in just a couple of minutes. First, open VS Code and click on the source control icon in the left sidebar. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus G on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus G on Mac. Once that opens, you'll see the source control panel appear. In the center of that panel, click the Clone Repository button. This will bring up a drop-down at the top of the window. From that drop-down, click on Clone from GitHub. If you haven't connected GitHub to VS Code before, you'll see a message asking you to sign in. When VS Code asks for permission to sign in using GitHub, click the Allow button. This will open your browser to a GitHub authorization page. In the browser, enter your GitHub username and password, then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, GitHub will ask you to authorize Visual Studio Code. Click the Continue button to approve access. After you authorize it, you'll see a success page with an Open Visual Studio Code button. Click that button, and your browser will redirect back to VS Code. The authentication should complete within a couple of seconds. Back in VS Code, you'll see a drop-down list of your GitHub repositories at the top of the window. You can type to search for a specific repository or just scroll through the list. Click on the repository you want to clone. Next, VS Code will ask you to choose a parent folder on your computer where you want to save the project. Pick a location and confirm your selection. VS Code will then clone the entire repository, including all branches, commits, and history from the remote. Once the clone finishes, VS Code will prompt you to open the cloned repository. Click Open in that dialog. The VS Code window will reload and show your repository contents. You might also see a Workspace Trust dialog asking if you trust the repository. Just confirm that if it appears. To verify everything connected properly, click back on the source control icon in the left sidebar. You should see a remote section showing a remote named Origin pointing to the GitHub URL you just cloned from. You can also click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner to confirm you're logged into your GitHub account. The source control view will now automatically track any file changes you make, making it easy to commit and push updates. Git created that Origin remote for you automatically when you cloned, so you don't need to set that up manually, and you don't need to install any extensions for this. VS Code has built-in GitHub integration. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.